In 1963, Ronnie Biggs pulled off Britain's most daring double escape. First, he helped steal £2.6 million from a Royal Mail train. The Great Train Robbery shocked the nation. 15 masked men stopped the train with fake signals and made off with a fortune. But getting caught was just the beginning of Biggs's story. Sentenced to 30 years in Wandsworth Prison, most criminals would have accepted their fate. Not Ronnie Biggs. After just 15 months behind bars, he planned something incredible. On a July afternoon, accomplices threw a rope ladder over the prison wall. Biggs climbed to freedom in broad daylight while guards watched helplessly. What happened next turned him into a legend. 36 years on the run, plastic surgery in Paris, a new life in Australia, then Brazil, where he became untouchable. The man who stole millions became Britain's most wanted folk hero. He taunted police from beaches in Rio while they could only watch. The thief who escaped twice and lived to tell about it.